Hello, this is Joe Bigorgas with Magnum Research Fieldcraft, and today we'll be talking about the different build-your-own options of the Desert Eagle pistol. The Magnum Research Custom Shop is always open for business and can tailor a pistol to perfection. Personalize it with options such as mix and match finishes, a wide selection of rear sights and grips, as well as customizable caliber conversion kits. To see how your ideal Desert Eagle would look, we've developed a complete custom builder on MagnumResearchCustoms.com so you can see exactly what your pistol will look like before purchase. This has been Magnum Research Fieldcraft. If you would like more information on the Desert Eagle or other Magnum Research products, please visit us at MagnumResearch.com.